This video is about the monitoring tool in the quantification module of WebIDQ. The monitoring tool provides additional features to monitor the LC-MS instrument performance and kit performance. The monitoring tool has different features, and to go through these features, a plate needs to be selected first. To select a plate run, go to the Select Plate Run option and select a plate which is already present in the WebIDQ database. I'm selecting here the LC plate, which is already validated. And in the analyte assessment, metabolites are classified as valid or invalid based on kit validation criteria applied in validation. And it is only available for QCs and calibration standards. For analyte evaluation of QCs, at least 66% of replicates of one QC level and a minimum 50% of all QC levels must be valid. For example, at least 66% are valid, then the resulting analyte evaluation is valid, which is highlighted in green color. If less than 66% are valid, then the resulting analyte evaluation is invalid, which is highlighted in yellow color. Now we go through the monitoring. The monitoring tool monitors the LC-MS instrument and kit performances over a specified time period. So for example, there are several kits running in between January 2023 to January 2024. Here, we can define the dates and we can check different value types, for example, concentration and area ratio, analyte intensity for the selected well, for example, here the QCs, and to see the kit system performance, how it looks like over the selected time period. The next feature is plots. In plots, the accuracies and CVs can be checked for the selected plate run. So for example, here, the LC plate is already selected, and for the selected plate, one can see that the accuracies are in between 80 to 100% and the CVs are below 10%. The same can be checked for another plate run. For example, FIA plate can be selected here, which is already present in the WebIDQ database. And first we have to select here the data. So we need to go to the search, click here, and then we have the option. Let's say we just want to see the accuracies and CVs for the QC level 2. Then we just need to select here QC level 2. And here we can see the accuracies and CVs. The same can be performed for the Excel plate here by selecting the Excel plate run. And then the last feature in the monitoring tool is detectability. In the detectability feature, we can see how many metabolites are detected above LOD for the selected plate run. For example, here the FIA plate is selected, and we can see that in all the 3 QC levels, out of 522 metabolites, 400 metabolites are detected above LOD. But if we want to see just how many metabolites are detected in QC level 2, then we can go to this cross, and then in the search, we just need to select QC level 2. Then we can see that the QC level 2 is selected, and we see that in QC level 2, out of 522 metabolites, 427 metabolites are detected above LOD. The same can be checked for the Excel part also and the LC part. For example, here I'm selecting the Excel kit plate. So again, all the QCs are selected by default, but if we want to check just for the QC level 2, then either we can directly click on this cross next to the QC level 1 and the QC level 3. Another option is to click on clear, that we can delete all, and then we can just select the QC level 2 in which we are interested. So I will select here QC level 2, and then we can see that out of 389 metabolites, 284 metabolites are detected above LOD for the selected Excel plate run. For the detailed information, refer to the WebIDQ user manual. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel to receive more videos on WebIDQ. I would love to hear about your experiences or any questions you might have. Leave me a comment below. Keep experimenting, and I'll see you next time for more WebIDQ wizardry.